Hello and welcome to Gomzo Open Source Podcast. I know this year we haven't put out anything. Actually, this is the first episode that we are recording, and we will be looking at various open source projects this year. And this one specifically that we open with is actually an asset management solution that is web based. And we are going to do the full hog. We're going to install it and then review it feature by feature. And if you feel it's something for you that you can implement in your institution or for yourself, then go ahead, knock yourself out. So let us have a look at it. So it seems it was first released 9 years. They started doing it 9 years ago, developing 9 years ago, and the latest commits are 2 days ago. So it's something that is in actual development, active actual development. I like looking at a few metrics when I'm evaluating open source projects. I'm not too strict about it because I know the pain that comes with developing a solution. Number one is issues. We see they have 1.7k issues. They have 95 pull requests. The individuals or developers who are watching it are 343. There are 3.3k individuals who have forked it, basically deriving it as their own repository so that they can do modification to it. And there are people who have studied who are 11.5k. Now, looking at it, it has been released under the AGPL 3.0 license. And the dominant language for development is PHP. And you can see there's Blade, which is a Vue language. That is the language that they use to template the views. If you scroll down on the code, the moment you see artisan anywhere, this is the command line interface for Laravel. And you can scroll down now and see under the README, there's open source asset management, Snip IT by Grokability. Grokability is the entity behind it. So the description that they give here is it's an open source asset management system. This is a free open source software project for asset management in IT operations, knowing who has which laptop, when it was purchased in order to depreciate it correctly, handling software licenses, etc. Essentially, it's something that keeps track of any asset that you bring on board into your organization. So they say Snip IT is actively developed and we release quite frequently. Yeah, that is evident. Then we are interested in installation first, and then we will go through the user manual and the security upgrading libraries, the community. So I do not feel like I want to install everything, and I can see they have a Docker image. So we might go with Docker so that we do a lightweight installation. It's quite fast to install and get something up and running using Docker. They have an image for that. Let's keep watching. I hope you will enjoy. I hope you learn. It will add value to you. And please do not hesitate to give us any feedback that you might have. Today, we are beginning 2025 by talking, reviewing an open source asset management software. Thank you for watching and keep at it.